I recently found these two floor fans put out for the trash, so I decided to rescue them. The Lasko fan is the most complete, so I'm going to keep that one. The other fan works just fine, but it's missing the front grill. I'm going to move it on to someone who can hopefully use it. The Lasko fan sort of works. It only runs on one speed, and the on-off switches don't work. Let's investigate the fan controlling mechanism. Isn't this fun? There's a circuit board in here that controls the on-off switching and the fan speed control. I know that some of these fans had remote control units. I don't know if this is one of those or not. From the looks of the circuit board, I kind of doubt it. It looks like the 3 wires going to the motor control the fan speed. Probing the circuit board seems to confirm this. Rather than trying to troubleshoot the circuit board, my plan is to replace the entire circuit board with a mechanical rotary switch. Here I'm confirming that the 3 wires to the motor do in fact control the motor speed. Okay, it's time to go shopping for knobs and switches. After over 60 years of amateur radio, I have a pretty good collection of junk parts. I think this 4-position rotary switch will do quite nicely. Now I need to clean the old solder and wires from the switch. I'm going to modify the existing switch plate for the new switch. Wonder how long this paint can's been sitting in my garage. This 4-position switch has 3 separate sets of 4 contacts. I wired 2 of the contact sets in parallel for this application. The on-off buttons are non-functional. I'm gluing them in place just to plug the holes in the front panel. Now let's get the motor cleaned up. I'm going to further disassemble the fan in order to make the switch and motor testing easier. Here I'm wiring in the switch. Here's the final testing of the new motor control switch. Looks like it works just fine. Here's a look at the new switch panel.
I love it when a plan comes together.
Now for some cosmetic cleanup. Here are some of the other parts getting a bath. And the reassembly begins. It works really well, and I kind of like the way it looks too. The price was certainly right on this Lasko floor fan. It was a fun project, and I think it'll definitely be useful around here. Thanks for watching.